Hi guys, I hope everybody's doing well, and today we're gonna be doing a very sultry, simple type of makeup look. It's actually very self-explanatory, and as you can see, first I'm starting off by priming my eyelid with the NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer, and this one is in a shade called Cappuccino, and it's actually a nice dewy type of concealer. That's why I'm applying it, so that it can help my eyeshadows to last a little bit longer without creasing. And first off, I'm going in with the eyeshadow from Essence, and this one is called Royal Party, and I'm using that eyeshadow called I Want It All, which is like a dark brown shade, and I'm gonna apply it very lightly because I don't want that color to be too harsh or too dark. So I'm going in with a blending brush, sort of like a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna pack it in really lightly, and it's just about, I think I went in like twice, and that was it. And then next, which is our last eyeshadow shade, this one is called Spotlight, and it's that shimmery champagne type of shade, and of course I'm gonna be applying it all over the rest of that eyelid space that's left up, building it up slowly by slowly, starting from the bottom lash line and slowly dragging it upwards. And then now, of course, I'm just going back in with our previous brush, and I'm just kind of like, I didn't add any more product on it, so I'm just going back and I'm kind of like trying to soften or blend out that brown a little bit more, so it can have like a nice smoothing transition. So now I'm just going in with a black gel eyeliner, and of course I'm gonna apply it on my upper lash line and then wing it out a bit. And then next I'm just going in to my tear dot area on the inner corner of my eyes with the eyeshadow called Gold Chase, and I'm just gonna place a little bit of it on my inner corners of the eye, and of course I'm gonna blend it out using my finger, or rather my pinky, because I feel like it kind of blends it out a little bit more better than using a brush, and much more quicker. And then next I'm just going in on my lower lash line with a gel eyeliner, and of course making sure that it also meets that top liner right there on the outer corner. And then after that, of course, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a touch of mascara, and that will be it for the lashes, or rather the eyes. And as I mentioned earlier, today our makeup look is very easy and simple. I believe anybody can actually put it off with their eyes closed, if you know what I mean. And of course for the face, I'm starting off by priming my face with a Smudge primer, and this one is actually, I love the scent of it. It's very fruity. The scent is amazing, it's to die for. And then after that, I'm just gonna go in with my fingertips, and I'm just gonna spread it all over the rest of my face, because I feel like your girl, sometimes my hands work better than a brush, but whatever works for you. And then after that, I'm going in with the foundation, and this one is from LA Girl, and this one is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, and this one is in a shade called Warm Caramel. The reason why I actually love LA Girl foundation is because of the coverage. The coverage of this product is amazing. I feel like it has a bit more full coverage than any other foundation up there that I've come across. And of course I'm applying it with my Morphe foundation brush, which kind of helps give that smooth and blended finish, which is of course what we always aim to achieve. And then next for cream highlighting, we'll be going into the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and this one of course is in the shade called Fawn, and I'm just going to be applying it underneath my eyes as well as the bridge of my nose, my forehead and cupid's bow, and of course on my chin area. And the reason why I'm applying this concealer in those areas is just so that it can help those features to stand out a little bit more. And yeah, and now once I am done blending out that concealer, I'm going into the MSLondon Cosmetics loose powder, or this one is actually in a shade called Cocoa 1. And the reason why I'm going in with this is basically just to mattify the rest of my face, and of course bring back some color back into my face so I don't look so pale, and also just to have a little bit of contrast. And yeah, and then next I'm going into the Milani Sunset Duo Blush and Bronzer, and this one is actually Sunset Strip number 2, and of course I'm going in with a darker shade, and this one is what I'm going to be bronzing all over my face with, or rather the circumference of my face, including the cheeks, because I just want to have a little bit of dimension to my face so I don't look a little bit too flat, or too, yeah, flat I guess is the right word. So that's the reason why I'm using this, and just a little bit of it on the sides of my nose, sort of like have that slight contour into it, because I didn't want it to be way too visible. Hence I'm using this product because it's slightly lighter if you use it very light-handedly, I suppose. And now once your girl was done with that, I'll be going in the Sunkissed Bronze Architect palette, and basically I'm going in with 2 shades here, and this one is the blush and the bronze shades, and I'm basically just going to be applying it on my cheek area. And the reason why I'm actually mixing both is just so that the other shade does not overpower the other, if you know what I mean, because the pink was a little bit too pale and the bronze was a little bit too dark, so I figured they would be able to balance it out, which actually worked out. And you should actually try it at home. If you feel like you've applied a little bit too much blush, just give it a try and mix it with a bronzer shade or a darker shade, and it's just gonna balance it out. And then next, of course, I'm going in with the highlight there, and I'm just gonna be highlighting the bridge of my nose and of course the tip of my nose, and that will be basically be it for the highlight. I'm not gonna be going way overboard or highlight the rest of my face, because I just feel like a little goes a really long way, and it's a very simple, easy, basic makeup. And then for the lips, I'll be going in, of course, with the Essence Color Boost Vanillicious Liquid Lipstick, and yeah, and this one is actually called Bite Me If You Can. And that's basically it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and until next time, bye bye.